Hey everybody, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I just wanted to come on and do a quick little video announcement regarding my live class for tomorrow, which is Tuesday the 21st. As you know, I go live every Tuesday at 11 a.m. Eastern, but tomorrow I have to change the time a little bit, so I'm going to be live not at 11 Eastern, but at 2 p.m. Eastern. And there is a reason for that, because I'm having a special guest on with me tomorrow, and I'm so excited about this, and I know you guys are going to have fun and you're going to love it. I am having Sam, who you all know as the Scottish Crafter. She's coming on my live, and I am so excited. I am a fan of Sam's work. She's a lovely lady, and I'm super excited to share some crafting time with her tomorrow. So please stay tuned for that tomorrow at 2 p.m. Eastern, which is 7 p.m. UK time. I'm not sure about Australia, but I know it is 7 p.m. UK time and 2 p.m. Eastern time. So please mark that on your calendar for tomorrow. And I'm super excited about that. I also wanted to announce that I will be back on the Scrap Perfect team. I don't have any of their products right in front of me just at the moment, but they sell, you've seen me use it a million times, the best glue ever. They have the best cleaner ever. I will be doing a full product review again for you guys. I want to reintroduce you to their products. I'm super excited to be back on the team again. I was on their team last year, at the beginning of last year and the previous year. So I'm very excited to be back on their team again. I love their glue products. So, and they sell foils. They sell, you know, the little package that you use when you're embossing. It's got the powder in it. They have those. They have the large, well, the skinny caps for your glue that makes you use less glue, that you put on top of your glue, that's got the point on it. There are tons of products. I'm going to have a link to their store in the description box anyway, and you guys can go over and check that out. And I will also have a link to Sam's YouTube channel, so you can go and sub to her if you're not already. I'm sure that most of you are. I'm super excited about tomorrow, and this is a watercolor I did yesterday. When I was just by myself, and so that's why that's sitting here, just for something for you to look at. But I'm really excited about both of those things that are coming up. So tomorrow, stay tuned for some fun with Sam, the Scottish Crafter. I'm really excited about that. So I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do yet, but I'm going to organize that. So, you know, we'll have fun anyway, and that's all that matters, right? So stay tuned for that, and also for some more Scrap Perfect info. And you can find the links to Sam's channel and Scrap Perfect in the description box. And I'll be back later with another video, guys. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye.